At the end of the day, the only thing that really matters is making life as pleasant as possible. Like, that should be the goal, is just to make life as enjoyable as possible. Because life is not easy, and sweating about the small stuff.
Okay, so today the mission is very simple. We are not overthinking this. We are not doing anything that makes us feel productive. We are having fun and we are being happy. That's all we're gonna do today. Happy, happy, happy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something different. Today we are gonna do a cozy, relaxing rest kind of vlog because last week I pushed myself too hard. I wanted to finish my novel because next week we're gonna go back to school, so I was like, this is my only chance to finish this novel and do it right. So I pushed myself and I actually wrote around 41,000 words, which I'm very proud of. It's a theology about like these 3 orphans who have been through a lot, but then they follow their dreams, they fall in love, they just get everything that they deserve in life. So this is like the first book of the trilogy, and then 2 more will be coming next year. So I finished this is the 3rd draft, so it has to go into an editor to revise the plot, and then we have to revise the grammar and everything. So there's still a lot of work. But I also need to finish like 9,000 words, but that's tomorrow's problem. Today we are relaxing, today we are resting, today we are refilling ourselves with happiness. Like, just bring all the happiness hormones in. Let me be happy today. So a friend of mine is coming and I'm gonna do her hair, and then we're gonna bake and we're gonna clean, just gonna relax and refill so that we don't go crazy. Meanwhile, I wanted to share with you like my system for planning my goals. So every year I have, since my birthday is on September 21st, I always like start my year on September 21st. So every year I have like 5 main goals, and then I break down into months how I'm gonna achieve what I need to do every month to achieve the overall goal. So like this month I need to finish writing my book and to finish my concept paper. So like November is revision of the book and presenting of the concept paper. December is revision, setting up the pre-order, marketing, and then writing the proposal. January is outlining the 2nd book in the series and revision of the proposal, and then February is exams and to present the proposal. So I put them in these small papers and that I put on my desk that I have to see each and every day, so that I'm reminded of what I need to do that month. So I just really love this. It's like, just give yourself 2 main goals a month. Don't overdo it, don't overstretch it, because when you do too much you end up doing nothing. So I follow these, and so far I'm really happy about it, and I wanted to share that. But today we're not being productive, today we are being happy. Happiness. Breathe in happiness, breathe out joy. I'm turning into a yoga instructor all of a sudden. Okay, welcome to my cozy, happy YouTube vlog today. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but me, just having a clean bed, clean space makes me so happy. So I started the day by just changing my bed sheets. I have to do laundry, so I took out the old bed sheet and I just use white bed sheets most of the time. And then I ended up clearing up my desk because that was where I was putting most of the task list that I had. And then I cleared out all the dirty dishes in the room and tidied up all the unfolded clothes, and that was it. That was like the most productive I was. But after that I remembered that I have to plan for next week, so I went into my Google Calendar and just added all my lessons into my Google Calendar. As you can see, most of my classes are on Monday and Friday, which I have classes from 8 to 6 in the evening, and then Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday I only have 1 class. So I'm still waiting for my work calendar so that I can incorporate it in here. But meanwhile on Sunday I have editing and to post the video, and then in the evenings I have to work out. So that's my calendar for now, and that ends the productivity session of this video, because we are not being productive today. I don't know who ever watched Baby's Day Out. This was my favorite movie when I was growing up. Baby's Day Out, Home Alone, and which other movie was this? Mrs. Doubtfire and Matilda. I loved Matilda. But whenever I feel like I need a warm, comforting movie or just a hug in my heart, I just watch those. I repeat those 4 movies. They just like, they remind me of childhood and happier times and when things were simpler, and I just love them. They can never stop making me laugh, like baby kicking him. And then this moment when they realized that the baby was up on the roof, it was so amazing.
No, walikuwa wanaongelea send a message when the DHL truck comes. Miue. Sasa show hiyo ni katikati ya kichwa yangu leo.
Basi ya hika. Shote nimshuke nyuma kwanza. By the utaenda.
Anajaribu kuniua.
Nitanyuki heart.
Sasa nisijiangalie, usidance.
Tazima hiyo, tazima hiyo.
No, she put a camera in my face. Am I not supposed to act? Zitatokea kubwa kubwa for 64 by the way.
I feel like itatokea normal, our normal size, because inakuanga 72 normally.
So you confronted him and tried to get him to change his mind?
Shika na blada lean.
Ni nini?
Unanishika na blada.
Nafaa kushika na nini? See, it's just for temporary nikikata.
Sasa niwe. Ananishautia. You see the way I'm treated here.
Who have a crush on somebody and then you realize they are a bad person.
Happened to me once.
Damn, sorry, babe.
Yeah. Sijao na crush imeshara kwa.
Okay, I kind of cut myself. I mean, no.
What part of usiangalie kamera don't you understand?
Ukienda uone hii video, usishtuke.
Singing to you.
Melted. I was trying to make some brownies. I followed the recipe by, I'll leave the recipe in the description box below if you wanna go try it, but it was really, really amazing. The only thing I can advise you is please use the parchment paper when you're baking the brownie so that it doesn't stick on the pan, because mine stuck on the pan. It was really, really delicious, really fudgy and really dense. So if you want to remove it like clean off the pan, make sure you use the parchment paper so that it doesn't stick. But this recipe is amazing and I will recommend it 10 over 10 all the time.
Brownies would not taste very good. Not 1 full teaspoon of salt. I like to use a sea salt. It's nice and gentle.
Hizo vitu zinakaa kama mdu kwa kitanda. Zile madudu.
Yeah. She realized I was lying. Take off.
See, nearly caught pan. I had to tap it back. Frozen yogurt. She can't eat yogurt because she's lactose intolerant. Can't you say something?
No paparazzi.
Don't start thinking I'm some amazing guy. This is why I don't tell girls what I do.
Na test vibaya.
Nothing. This is purely physical.
Oh, Ben, what's up?
Already ate the middle part. So delicious. So good. Sijui niweke kwa freezer.
Ndio.
Ndio ipoe mbio. Like it's too fudgy. Ishikane.
Haifai kushikana lini.
Inafaa kubaki fudgy. This
Yes.
fudgy. It's so fudgy. But it's so delicious. Nimeshaonja. Like the middle part, it's so fudgy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is being secure in your masculinity.
Super secure.
You kiss the man. You do.
Pilipili.
Umekisa nani?
Yeah, let's go. I'll kiss Winston. I'll do it. I'll kiss Winston.
Angeamsha beetroot kwa nini yangu.
Ati? Usirecord matako yangu.
Ai, sasa naenda kuishika sasa venye umesema. Ai, relax. No, so geuka mbele. Pretty, hey pretty lady. Can I have one? This was footage from earlier yesterday. I thought I was recording, but it turns out my camera decided to put itself in 2x speed. And this is me judging yesterday's lean for not doing and checking if the camera is actually okay. So I just wanted to go to show you how pretty autumn is. Fall is like my favorite season, and I just wanted to show you how pretty fall is outside.